Think you're good at guessing animal sounds? Let's make it harder. Only a few people can get all of these right. This time, the sounds are trickier. Listen carefully. You'll only get a few seconds to guess. Let's see how many you can get right. Can you guess this animal? It's a seal! Baby seals make cries that sound almost like a human baby. This one is tricky. It's a goat! Sometimes they sound like they're talking. Listen carefully. It's a peacock! That loud call is used to attract attention. Can you guess? It's a donkey! Their bray is loud and very unique. This one surprises most people. It's a koala! Cute animal, but scary sound. Think carefully. It's a lynx! Sounds like a scream in the wild. This one is confusing. It's a walrus! They make strange clicking and grunting sounds. Almost there. It's a raven! They can mimic many sounds, even human voices. This one is super tricky. It's a hyena! That laugh is actually communication. Last one. Don't get this wrong. It's a lyrebird! This bird can mimic almost any sound, even chainsaws. That was hard. How many did you get right? Comment your score below, and if you want even harder challenges, subscribe now.